Arpita Hon. Today I will be discuss about skill-based hiring versus degree-based hiring. Introduction. Today job market is shifting from traditional degree-based hiring to skill-based hiring, where practical abilities and real-world experience matter more than formal education. Employers now focus on what a candidate can do rather than just what qualification they hold. And the question highlight a major shift today job market. Traditionally hiring decisions were based on a degrees and educational qualifications. However, companies increasingly prioritize skill, practical knowledge, uh, and real world experience or formal educations. Today I will be discuss about difference between degree based versus skill based hiring, their respective advantages and challenges, and what the future hiring like looks. Next slide. Understanding degree based hiring. Hiring based on formal education qualification. For decades, companies have relied on formal education as a benchmark for hiring candidates. A university degree has been seen a proof of knowledge, discipline, and the ability to complete long term commitment. Pros of degree based hiring. uh, ensure foundational knowledge. A degree verifies that a candidate has undergone structured education in a particular field. And then signal discipline and commitment. Completing degree requires here dedications which employers and see a valuable traits. And cons degree based hiring is may overlook talented candidates without degrees. It means many highly skilled professionals are self taught or gain expertise through non traditional pathway, and doesn't always reflect a real world job readiness. It means many graduates struggle to apply their theoretical knowledge practical situations. And next slide is understanding skill based hiring. Skill based hiring shift the focus on from educational background to actual abilities instead of evolution. Candidates based on their degrees, employers assess their technical skills, problem solving based, and past work experience. It means pros of skills hiring is encourage inclusivity. Means traditional backgrounds, candidates from non-traditional backgrounds it means self-taught uh, professionals etc. Get a fair chances. And then reflect real world capabilities. Companies hire people who can immediately contribute their rather than just having academic knowledge. And cons skill based hiring header to standardize. Unlike degree, skills vary in how they are learned and demonstrated, making it challenging to compare candidates. And then may require more upfront evaluation time. Employees need to invest in designing skill tests and assessing real world abilities. Many major companies embrace skill based hiring. Take gains like Google, IBM, Tesla, number longer require no longer require a college degree for many roles. Instead, they assess applicant based on their coding ability, project experience, and problem solving skills. Next slide. Skill versus degree based hiring. A slide by side comparison for skill based versus degree based hiring. First is criteria. Focus on degree based hiring academic credentials, and skill based hiring focus on practical skills. Inclusivity. Degree based hiring is limited and skill based hiring is high. Evaluation. Degree based hiring grades and institutes, and skill based hiring is a test profit folios. And sustainability suitability. Degree based hiring is traditional roles, and skill based hiring is dynamic technical roles. And next slide is the shift in hiring trends. The companies like Google, IBM, and Tesla hire based on skills. means companies are redefining job description. Many organizations removing rigid degrees requirements and instead listening requires skill and experience. And then online learning platform are booming. A website link Coursera, Udemy and Skillshare are providing high quality courses, allowing job seekers to learn instead relevant skills without formal education. And then employers value result over resume. Recruiters now look at a candidate's ability to solve problem and contribute meaningfully rather than just their degrees. And next slide is what the future holds. The future of hiring is not about choosing between degrees and skills, it's about combining them effectively. A hybrid hiring approach will dominate, where employers seek both foundational education and real world expertise, and continuous learning will be crucial. Employees must constantly reskill and upskill to stay relevant in their field. And then companies will prioritize adaptability. Candidate who demonstrate problem solving, creativity and adaptability will have the strongest career prospect. And then conclusion. In conclusion, both degree based skill based hiring have their place in the modern job market. A degree can provide structure and foundations but doesn't graduate job readiness. And skill other hand showcase practical knowledge and real world applications. The future belongs to be those who continuously learn to adapt and demonstrate value through both their education and their abilities. And employees now value result over resume, making continuous skill development the key of long term success. Thank you.